Welcome to Colorful Lesson.
Today we are going to learn about phonics. Letter A says a, apple, apple. Letter B says b, ball, ball. Letter C says cat, cat. Letter D says dog, dog. Letter E says e, elbow, elbow. Letter F says fan, fan. Letter G says goat, goat. Letter H says happy, happy. Letter I says E, ink, ink. Letter J says juice, juice. Letter K says kick, kick. Letter L says lemon, lemon. Letter M says mango, mango. Letter N says nose, nose. Letter O says orange, orange. Letter P says pot, pot. Letter Q says quite, quite. Letter R says red, red. Letter S says stop, stop. Letter T says tap, tap. Letter U says up, up. Letter V says van, van. Letter W says water, water. Letter H says X-ray, X-ray. Letter Y says yes, yes. Letter Z says zero, zero.
If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.